Welcome back to Sadler Up Nails. I'm going to show you how to do this trending marble wave design that's accented with gold leaf foil. So first I prepped my nails with Young Nails Protein Bond, and now I'm coming in with Bioseaweed Gel Milkshake. This is my new favorite color. It's blah. It's a sheer white gel nail polish, and it is so gorgeous for any nail art, really. It's a gorgeous base. I think it goes with any skin tone, and I absolutely love it. I'm really mad at myself that I didn't get more of their sheer polishes on my last order because I'm just so in love with the sheer polishes, especially when you put like a matte top coat over them, and then it becomes almost like a frosted glass look. So I'm definitely going to be building my sheer nail polish collection over the next few months. So now we're coming in with the second coat. And then obviously more coats you do, the more opaque this polish gets. And then for the next step, we are coming in with Candyland. They're all Bioseaweed gel. So we have Candyland, then we have Passion Fruit, and I'm just dabbing these on top of each other. And then next we have Seashell. I'm not blending them into each other. I'm just setting the polishes directly on top of each other and then letting them sit there. And then now I'm coming in with a third coat of the Milkshake because we're going to marble the color into a wet gel base. I find doing it this way, you don't get that lump, that like bridge from where your marbling and your base polish meets. This way, there's almost like a seamless connection between the two. So I like doing it this way. You don't have to. You can just put your marbling on top of a cured base, but I prefer to do it this way because then your nail ends up being flat and it doesn't have that bump where you've added your marbling. So I just dip my brush into the polish, making sure I pick up all three colors, and then I lightly blend it onto the nail where I want the polish to be. And just make sure you're not using too much and you're not pooling it too much, because then it is going to be very lumpy. And you definitely don't want that, especially if when you're doing it up at the cuticle. You don't want your cuticle to be too bulky. So just make sure your polish is thin. Bioseaweed gel is very pigmented, so you don't have to worry about losing the color, even when you're putting it on top of this milky white wet gel base. And I do all the nails at the same time. I don't do one nail cure, next nail cure. To me, that takes a lot more time. So I just do all the nails at the same time and cure them all together. So next, because Milkshake is a one-step gel, it does not have a dispersion layer. I'm coming in with some base coat along the edge so that there's just a little bit more stickiness for my foil to stick to. If your milky white base coat does have a dispersion layer, this step you could probably skip. I just found that when I did the first half of this set, the foil just didn't stick very well, and it was because that Milkshake did not have a dispersion layer. So that is why I put base coat down just along the edge of where the color meets the Milkshake. And then I did cure that. And then now I'm coming in with some small bits of gold leaf foil, which I do sell this on my website, but you can get it pretty much anywhere. And then I'm just placing it directly on the nail along the edge of where the color meets the base color. And when you are putting down your foil, you do want to make sure you get that foil as flat as you can on the nail, because we do not want to have to buff these nails after we top coat them if there's any bumps. That's just an extra step I don't want to do, so I am trying my best to get this foil as flat as I can, because trust me, your customer does not want to feel any bumps or lumps in their top coat. So get that foil flat. If you can't get it flat, then after you do your top coat, you're gonna have to buff these nails and then top coat them again. So that's just some advice for you there. But I was able to get this foil super, super flat, and I did not have to do that extra step. Another suggestion is to use a thick layer of your top coat. You don't have to be thin with top coat like you do with your gel colors. Put on a thick layer of top coat, and if you feel like you have to, cure it for twice the amount of time. And that's the set, guys. I love it so much. It can be done in so many colors. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I have so much more to come.